Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at a replacement motherboard for the Dell Latitude 5420, the GDF40 LA-K491P system board, specifically the one featuring the i3-1125G4 processor. If you're dealing with a dead or malfunctioning motherboard on your Latitude 5420, this could be a lifesaver. One of the first things to consider when swapping out a motherboard is compatibility. The seller emphasizes the importance of ensuring this replacement board is the correct one for your specific laptop model. They even encourage you to reach out to them if you're unsure, which is a great sign of customer support. Double-checking the part number is crucial. It's usually printed on the back of the motherboard. Make sure your laptop model, the board number, and the interface alignment all match up. The seller also highlights their rigorous quality testing. They claim all critical components, including ports, connections, and overall functionality, are thoroughly tested. This is essential because you want a replacement board that's reliable and performs just as well as the original. Nobody wants to go through the hassle of installing a new motherboard only to find out it has issues. Another interesting point is the service tag customization. Apparently, these motherboards ship with a default, empty service tag. You can provide your custom code to the seller for configuration, although they do note that some boards might not support modification. This could be important for warranty purposes or system identification within a corporate environment. Finally, the seller offers installation support, which is a huge plus. If you run into any questions or problems during the installation process, they encourage you to reach out for technical assistance. Swapping a motherboard can be a delicate process, so having access to support is invaluable. Overall, this replacement motherboard seems like a solid option for reviving a Dell Latitude 5420. The emphasis on compatibility, quality testing, and customer support are all reassuring. Just remember to double-check your part numbers and don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it during installation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.